I have benefited throughout my life from the youth service. I was 11 plus failure. I went to secondary modern school. I went to the pits, but the youth service was always ready to offer me something. And I still feel, despite having been involved in it for a long time, that I still owe it something.
I've never met anyone who actually lives youth work like John. Probably one of the greatest youth workers of all time. He'd hate me saying that, but that's what I believe.
There is no doubt in my mind that if it wasn't for John, there are hundreds and thousands of young people across Wales that wouldn't have had so many travelling opportunities, so many opportunities to connect in their communities and for them themselves to have made a difference.
You cannot take away from John Rose his incredible ability to really think through what it is he wants to achieve with others. He's like a library, and he is an absolute brilliant man.
He just wanted to do some things to please the young people. You talk about young people-led projects. John, I think, was one of the forerunners of introducing that, asking young people what they wanted to do, and he would do his best to follow that up and give them what they wanted.
The role of youth work is to enable young people to develop a life worth living, so that young people have that opportunity through the youth service to find out who they are and how they fit into life and actually what they want out of it. So that's really important to me, and I think that's where my practice would be.